Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. I am coming to you today with a really quick, small grocery haul. Later on this week or maybe next week, I will be going to Costco to do my bulk shopping. But I wanted to get, a couple fillers. So let's get started. The first thing I got was this bag of organic carrots, the Walmart brand, I think this is. No, Market Side. I think Market Side is Walmart brand, I'm not sure. I got me a rotisserie chicken. I'm using this to make some chicken salad for lunch this week. Then I got some bread. I got me 5 bananas. I got 4 cucumbers. The reason they're in this plastic bin is because I'm getting ready to wash them. I got 2 organic chicken. One was $6.73. The other one was $7.99. Then I got some T-bone steak, I think this is. Let's see what it says. Angus ribeye steak. Okay, I got it at 30% off, so this one was $10.52. I'm going to fix this today for lunch, and then I got another one for $8.74. Then I went to Kroger's. And at Kroger's, I got me some beef ribs. This was $7.75. Got this one for $7.54. And then the last one was $9. Well, guys, this is the end of my haul. Like I said, it's a really quick, short and small haul. I wanted to do it real quick before I put the items away. Well guys, this is the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Like I said, I just wanted to come in and do a quick haul before I put these away. I will be doing my regular grocery shopping probably later this week or next week. Again, thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. Well guys, until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.